Now let us come to a chapter, that is statistical description of data. Now what we have to learn in this statistical description of data? So we want that how the statistics is used, or what are the applications of statistics, or the next is what know about data collection techniques. We have to know how to present data in textual or tabular form, including the techniques of creating frequency distribution and working on cumulative frequency. And last point we have to consider is we have to know how to present data graphically using histogram, frequency polygon and pie chart. So let us consider this flow chart. So what are applications of statistics? So it consists of collection of data. Now this collection I said as this collection of data, then presentation of data. These are two steps of statistics. So for this collection of data I have to consider either primary data or secondary data. This we are going to learn in the next slide. The next is what? Presentation data in textual or tabular form. So it may be frequency distribution and consisting of cumulative frequency distribution. This cumulative frequency distribution is part of frequency distribution. And the last is present data graphically, or we have to present a data graphically, so that this is attractive method, because by using graph we can understand the nature of our statistical data. So it consists of what? Line chart or histogram, frequency polygon or pie chart. Okay, so these we are going to learn in this first chapter. This is useful for solving problems in measure of central tendency as well as measure of dispersion. So we have to consider this first collection of data, which is primary data or secondary data. Now what is difference between primary data and secondary data? So this primary data and secondary data depends on the data which you are going to collect. Now I have this data with me, I have to present. So there are three types. What the three types are? It can be written in terms of text or frequency distribution or cumulative frequency distribution, or the data is presented in terms of histogram, bar chart or frequency polygon or pie chart. So this we are going to learn in this chapter. Now come to the first part, that is introduction of statistics. Now this statistics, what the history of statistics is. So here statistics is originated from the Latin word status. According to another school of thought, it had its origin in the Italian word statista. Some scholars believe that the German word statistic was later changed to statistics, and another suggestion that the French word statique was made as statistic with the passage of time. Okay, so I will highlight this, and this is nothing but what? These are different names for statistics given by different countries. Okay, now this statistics is already originated, is originated during Chandragupta's 4th century, right? So the statistics used by this Akbar, okay, and referring to Egypt, the first census was conducted by the pharaoh during 300 BC to 2000 BC. Now come to the definition. As I told you, definition of statistics consisting of four parts, or in short